Hello, we are in Tagas Oak Park. As a part of the Enable Conservation Tillage ECT project, we collected field population of grass wheat across country and tested for herbicide resistance. And if some population are resistant, the main aim is to see how resistant they are. We have collected a small number of suspect samples of blackgrass and Italian ryegrass across country and tested with the ACKs and ALS modes of action. The ACKs herbicides include Axial, Falcon and Status Ultra, whereas the ALS herbicide include Pacifica, Broadway Star and Monolith. Initially, these populations were screened at recommended field rates in this glasshouse, and the least sensitive populations were then tested with 0.25 to 8 times the recommended field rate of ACKs or ALS herbicides. After screening, we have the most resistant population in front. This population is collected from one farmer's field, which is very different to this population which is collected from another farmer's field, and so on. In 2020, we collected a small number of suspect samples from Tipperary and Cork, and these populations were compared with the susceptible UK population. When seedlings had 2 to 3 leaves, they were treated with different herbicides. Although it is earlier than in the field, it is mainly to give herbicide every chance to kill the most susceptible population. In the front, you have the susceptible populations, and this is untreated. When the same population, susceptible population, is treated with different ACKs and ALS herbicide, it completely kills the seedlings. So, which we expect from the susceptible populations. So, we have the two populations collected from Tip and Cork, and these are the untreated controls, which means they were not treated with the herbicides. When the same populations were treated with the Pacifica plus, you can see there was not much effect, and there is no much difference between the untreated and the Pacifica treated one. When the same Cork and Tip populations were treated with another ALS Broadway Star, there was a mild effect, but that is not sufficient enough to give 100% effect, 100% control of the field. And when the same Tip and Cork population were treated with the ACKs, there was variable results, whereas the Tip population was completely controlled by the ACKs herbicide, but the Cork populations were the level of survival was quite high with the Axial and Falcon, but Status Ultra was found to be very effective. These results show that it is very difficult to predict how a wheat population respond to a given herbicide. As you can clearly see, for a farmer in Cork, there is not much option left in cereals, because this particular population is resistant to all the available cereal herbicide, Pacifica, Broadway Star and Axial. Whereas the farmer in Tip, he has Axial as an option to control the resistant population. But however, we know that the Tip populations are resistant to Pacifica and Broadway Star. Whereas if you look at the non-cereal herbicide FOP and DIM, which is Falcon and Status Ultra, the farmer in Tipperary have an option using either FOP or DIM, which could give an effective control. Whereas the farmer in Cork, as you can see, the Falcon, the effectiveness of Falcon is not appropriate or not 100%, whereas Status Ultra gives a complete control. So the best option to eliminate these resistant population is to adopt an integrated weed management strategies, which recommends the use of cultural and non-chemical control option and judicious use of herbicides.